Is the Edelweiss Life Guaranteed Savings Star Plan a reliable substitute for disciplined savings or a trap that blurs the line between protection and investment? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you protect your family's financial future with a life insurance policy. You get to choose between two plan options like base and enhanced cover. With the enhanced cover, you can boost your insurance protection and increase the death benefit. And by paying an additional premium, you can also ensure your family's goals are safeguarded even in your absence or on diagnosis of a covered critical illness through family income benefits. You get to secure your long-term goals with guaranteed returns that are clearly defined at the start of the policy, and you can also enjoy tax benefits as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, and family income benefits, which will differ based on the benefit structure you have opted for. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: you can enhance your protection by choosing from additional riders, and you can also avail policy loans whenever needed, and you can opt for the family income benefit, which adds an extra layer of security, and all the benefits offered under this plan are guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. Although the benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns are not attractive. The sum assured falls short of providing adequate life coverage. So these are some drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. If you want to understand certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for here, example purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male buys the plan with a base sum assured of 5 lakhs, which is the death benefit will be 12 lakhs. So the policy term is 20 years and the premium payment term is 10 years with an annual premium of 50,000 rupees. He has selected the base plan option without the family income benefit. So after paying premiums for 10 years, he receives the maturity benefit at the end of 20 years. So the total maturity benefit is 11.07 lakhs. This translates to an IRR of just 5.19% as per the Edelweiss policy maturity calculator, which is lower than inflation, making it an unattractive investment choice. Furthermore, the money remains locked until the policy term ends, meaning he must wait 10 more years after completing his premium payments. The sum assured also falls short of providing adequate financial protection. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where instead of combining insurance and investment, we are going to separately invest in it by having same or similar parameters from the earlier example for a fair comparison. Under the same assumptions as earlier, we have taken a pure term insurance policy for life cover with a 12 lakh sum assured, which is equivalent to the illustrated death benefit, and it costs you just 6,800 rupees per year for a 20-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. This leaves us with 43,200 rupees per year from the original 50,000 premium money that can be invested according to your risk preference. So if you are a high risk investor, you may choose equity instruments, while if you are a low risk investor, you can opt for debt options. In this comparison, we are going to evaluate both PPF and equity mutual fund for your easy reference. So PPF requires a minimum contribution of 500 rupees per year for 15 years. Since the premium payment period is 10 years here, we have made some adjustments to comply with the PPF rules. So the final maturity value from PPF is 12.74 lakhs, delivering an IRR of 6.13%. And in equity mutual fund, after deducting capital gains tax, you can yield a post-tax maturity value of 23.77 lakhs, while the pre-tax value was 26.37 lakhs. And if you have any doubt regarding how we have calculated tax for this, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So the combined IRR for the term insurance plus equity mutual fund strategy stands at 10.30% post-tax. This comparison clearly shows that keeping insurance and investments separate is a smarter strategy. You get returns that beat inflation, far better liquidity, and greater flexibility. Benefits that the Edelweiss policy does not offer. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Guaranteed Savings Star Plan worth it or not? So, this is an insurance cum savings policy that offers both life cover and investment benefits. However, the life cover provided is insufficient for a family's financial security and the guaranteed returns are modest. As a result, the plan falls short on both insurance and investment fronts. Even the family income benefit is not included by default. You must opt for it separately, which increases the premium. So the key drawbacks of the plan includes low returns, poor liquidity due to the long lock-in period, and an inadequate sum assured for meaningful financial protection, and it also has a high agent commission. So these limitations makes this plan less suitable as a comprehensive insurance or investment solution. So most traditional policies bundle insurance and investment, reducing their effectiveness. A better approach would be to choose a pure term life insurance policy for its robust financial protection at an affordable premium, while making separate investments based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and life goals, because a well structured financial plan is crucial for long term success.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.